No, Carl!
Carl, no!
No! Cast him into the fire. The rest of Carl shall be burned.
Carl's chubby body.
Do you have any words for Carl?
Rest in peace.
Admirer of Jimmy's mom.
Jimmy's mom!
Oh! The fire is taking us up.
This is Cosmo Cougar, the mascot of Brigham Young University. And a furry. Ah! Frick you, furry. Cosmo's dying.
Rest in peace, Cosmo.
Alright, grab the other side.
Darks in the fire.
Gently.
Oh, it's so hot. Talk to Mario.
He's my son. I made him. Now we're burning him.
Time to kill the Golden Girls. No.
Goodbye, Golden Girls. To a new year.
Probably have
Should I
to
just throw them
burn.
all in at once?
Kill the Golden Girls.
Do it.
Kill it!
Oh, the inside. Inside is on.